Hello, hello, hello. This is a game called Teardown. I really wanted to try this. Also, good morning. It's a great day to be. It's for Sunday, February 1st. So I hope you're all doing well. So let's get into it. Yeah. Should we play sandbox, people? Should we play? I'm gonna play. I'm gonna play sandbox. Yeah, I have to play sandbox. I've played this a bit on my own. I also have mods installed. Uh, what's their mods? They're mods. I have one thing to say. It's just really mods that bring this down. I can break stuff. Yay. Let's draw this, and then let's draw an exclamation mark. And then this is where I'll shoot one of my modded weapons. So I made myself a little track course. Sneak into the building. Not really. Sneakily. Detonate. Blow up the silo. Say in the comment section if you actually want me to do more of this. Let's put that up there. Blew up the silo, kinda. Now let's actually blow it up. See what this can do. Gosh, that's insane. And then I've used it. Well, how far can I pull this? Let's put that there. And then I'm just Spider-Man. I'm Spider-Man. Guys, I'm Spider-Man. Mm. Oh shoot, how do I customize? R. So currently it's only 5, and then the hook pull power is just 30. I'm not that insanely Spider-Man. It's more of like a this is me at the very end. Spider-Man. This is Spider-Man in Teardown. I can jump over roof to roof. I can't climb walls, but and soon we're gonna become the ultimate Spider-Man. Well, this is my Spider-Man. Mm, Grapple. And now we die. I just died. And I'm gonna make a quarter pounder. Quarter. Okay, I think I fell. Break into this car. Throw it. And see. That sucks. Are you serious right now? Okay, I'm just gonna drive the truck. And also break it at the same time. Tree shaped like a deer. I'm gonna drive it to the ocean. Ah. Yeah, I think I fully killed it. Mm. Oh, it's down there. I can't swim though, so mm, it's dead. I think it's dead. I drove it into the ocean. Ah. What happens if we drive it on land? Driving in my car, right? Driving in my boat, right after a boat. Yes, this boat is a boat. Yeah, I'm driving it on my hand. What am I doing? Braking is, yes, I don't know if this vehicle condition is that good, 'cause it's intuition. Yes, I don't know. Oh, God, it broke. Yeah, I think I crashed the boat. Fish. Driving into a building and then it just dies. I don't know if this is if I can get some fries. That was silly. I'm comment if I should do this more. Ah. Mm, oh, not in there, not in there. Ah, it's still living. I'm just. It's actually still living. This is insane. Driving in my car, driving in a boat. Yes, I am a boat. Yeah, it just died. I think this also died. Burn it. Yeah, comment if I should do this more. So, bye.